With auctions and auctions becoming more and more common, I've been asked more often than not, should I try and make an offer on a property that's going to auction before the auction day? Let me tell you about Sam's story. Sam had been looking for a home for months. Finally, the perfect unit hit the market in Tenerife here in Brisbane. The property was going to go to auction in 2 weeks' time. The agent said, if you have interest in placing an offer on the property, then fill out the purchase to offer form and send it back to me. So Sam hit me up. Hey Jayden, I've decided to make an offer on the property for 10 days finance. And on talking with the agent, he said the owners would be likely to be interested to sell the property at this price prior to auction. I'll let you know once I hear back and we can sign the formal documents. I had a quick chat to Sam and said, yep, all sounds good. You're good to go. Make your offer and fingers crossed. Excited to buy his first home, Sam made the offer and sent it in writing to the agent. Almost immediately, the agent replied. The owners have stated they'd like to go to auction, but would be happy to sell at the price I've offered if it ends up going for this at the auction. So wait, what? The agent initially said the owners are happy to take offers before auction, then suddenly an hour later they've backflipped? This doesn't seem right. But sadly, this is the reality when going to auction in the current market.
And in some cases, not all cases, we were seeing those price points $100,000, $200,000 more above where that expectation was. So again, pulling it back to the auction, it will certainly speak on the day.
So let's start from the agent's perspective. Why did they use this cheeky tactic when they knew the owners were definitely going to go to auction? I put this very question to a mate of mine that's a real estate agent. Now, obviously, I'm not going to mention his or her name, but he said with auctions, this is the most common tactic agents use, and it's all got to do with conditioning the sellers.